Okay, now student we will discuss about farmers in Vidarbha. That means in Vidarbha is a place that is in Maharashtra. Okay, Vidarbha is a place which is in Maharashtra. Okay, now Sati's story. We will discuss about Sati's story. Satish is a 13-year-old boy. Okay, Satish is a 13-year-old, just a 13-year-old boy. His father had taken a loan for farming. So his father has taken some loan. Loan means some type of borrowings. Okay, some type of borrowings he has taken. Okay, for farming. That means for cultivation. That means for cultivation, his father, that means Sati's father, has taken some amount of money, okay, from somewhere or some institutions, for some person or for some institutions. Sati's father has taken some amount of money, okay. That is why it is written here loan, okay. His father has taken a loan. Loan means some amount of money he has borrowed for farming. For farming means for cultivation. But the crops failed. But Sati's father's crop is failed, okay, due to irrigations or due to rain water, due to lack of rainwater, due to insufficient of irrigation facilities, okay, due to some reasons Sati's father's crops is failed. Now Sati's mother has to pay rupees 5,000 month for the loan. So who will repay the loan? Sati's mother has to repay rupees 5,000 every month for the loan. Okay. So for taking loan, how much amount of money Sati's mother has to pay? Sati's mother has to pay 5,000 every month. Okay. Sati's mother has to pay 5,000, okay, rupees 5,000 per month, okay, per month for taking loan of Sati's father. Sati's mother now has to pay 5,000 loans. Satish started working. He looked after 13 goats of the village. So to repay the loans, now Satish started working, okay, because they have to repay the loans. And what work he is doing? He look after 17 goats in a village. How many goats he is looking after? He is looking after 17 goats, okay. He earned rupee 1 every day for one goat. So how much he earning? Satish earning is, for looking after one goat, he will be paid, for one goat he will be paid rupees, for one goat he will be paid rupee 1, okay, rupee 1 for one goat. Satish earning is, for looking after one goat he will be paid rupee 1. He will pay rupee 1. Now question number A. How much will he earn in 1 month? Okay, there are 17 goats. That means one day he is earning, one day Satish earned how much? 17, okay, rupees 17. How much Satish earned per day? Satish earned rupees 17, because for there are 17 goats, and for each goat he is paid rupee 1. He is paid rupee 1 for each goat. For each goat he is paid rupee 1, okay, for one day. That means there are 17 goats. So how much he will pay in one day? So for each day, that means for one day, Satish earned rupees 17. Okay. Now 1 month, that means we assume 30 days. For 30 days, Satish earned how much? Rupees 17 into 30. That means rupees 510. Okay, 17 3 ja 51, 17 3 ja 51 and 0 is coming, so it is 510. Okay, so how much will he earn in 1 month? So he will earn 510. Okay, he will earn rupees 510 in 1 month. Okay, now question number B, does he earn enough to pay the loan for every month? No, the answer is no. Why? Because every month Satish and his mother, that means they have to pay rupees 5,000, whereas Satish earn only rupees 510. So that is not sufficient. That means it is not sufficient enough. That means Satish not earn enough to repay the loan per month. Okay, because they have to pay rupees 5,000 and Satish earning rupees 510. So Satish not earn enough. Satish not earn enough to help pay the loan. Okay, help pay the loan every month. Okay, now in question number C, how much will he earn in 1 year? How much will he earn for 1 month? For 1 day he earned, for 1 year means 1 year, what we know, if it is not a leap year, 1 year means it is 365 days. So we assume that it is not a leap year. So 1 year, how much he will earn? 1 year means 365 days. Okay, so Satish earn 1 day. Satish earn 1 day is rupees 17. Satish, how much earn Satish each day? Satish earn 1 day is rupees 17. That means each day is earning 17. Okay, for look after the goat, and for each goat he earn rupee 1. For each goat he earn rupee 1, and there are 17 goat, so each day he will earn rupees 17. Now Satish earn 365 days, that means 1 year. How much he will earn? Rupees 17 into 365. So 365 into 17. 7 5 to 35. Carry 3. 7 6 42. 42 plus 3 45. Carry 4. 7 3 ja 21. 7 3 ja 21 plus 4 25. Okay. Now multiply by 1, it is 5, it is 6, it is 3. Now it is 5. We will add now 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, carry 1. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12, 2, carry 1. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So how much he will earn in 1 year? He will earn 6,205. Okay, 6,205. Okay, student. So in this way we will solve it. Okay, by using multiplication, addition we will use here, and we will solve these questions. Okay, thank you.